Okay, now good day everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel by the way. So let's do our quick analysis on our forex markets, how our price will be moving today. So the first one I have here is our dollar index. So let's see our movement today. As we can see on our 4-hour time frame, our price has been giving us a directionless movement. Let's see that our price has been moving. It has not been giving us a very good movement by the way. So basically we should be looking for a shorting position on our US dollar index by the way. So we should be looking to take our sell position around there. As we can see, our price is about ranging on this our 4-hour time frame. We can see that our price has gotten to our resistance level. It has come down to our support. It has already pushed up to our resistance, and we should be looking for a support on our US dollar index, and probably we should not take our buy position back up to our to our resistance level. So that is exactly what we should be seeing for today, our movement for this Friday. So if possible our price breaks above this our area here, which is about 1.10389, then we should continue seeing that our possible movement to this our area here, which is about 1.10976. That should be giving us, if possibly our price breaks above that area there, we should be seeing a movement of 50 plus pips. And if it does not break above that area, then we should continue be seeing our down movements, which should be also be giving us about 48 to 50 points. So let's see how our price will react. If it fails to break above that our area we just highlighted, then we should be taking our sell. And if it breaks above our area we've highlighted, we should be taking our buy on our USD dollar index. But I see a possible shorting position on our dollar index, so that is what we should be looking for on our dollar index. So our first currency pair we have here is our Euro USD. Let's see our Euro USD. As we can see that our Euro USD is actually shorting, so we should be seeing a bullish move. That is exactly because I think and I feel that our dollar will be falling today, because it is showing on our dollar index and our dollar should be falling today. So our currency pair related to it should also be rising. So this our euro pair, as you can see, we should continue be seeing a push up, possibly a huge push up today. As you can see that here has already served as our resistance before. Here we also saw a pullback when our price was pushing up. We saw a pullback, then we saw a push up. Now we should also be taking this place as our support. So, and we should be looking for a possible move upward on our euro USD. So let's see how many pips it will do. That at least if it does not give us about 100 plus pips, we should be able to grab about 60 to 70 pips for today, the movement for today. Let's see on our 1-hour time frame. As you can see, our price is about rejecting in this our area here, waiting to push up. So we can actually wait. We see multiple break of structure upward on our 30 minutes time frame before we actually take our buy position upward on our euro USD. Now on our pound USD, by the way, we should also be looking for a bullish move on our pound USD. That is exactly what I'm seeing here on our 1-hour time frame. As you can see that probably if our price pushes down a little bit, then we should can finally take that our buy position upward. And if it does not, price can just continue pushing up here. So we should be looking at this area to take our profit. By the way, at this our area here, we should be giving us about on 30 to 40 pips, and after it then we can actually now look for a sell. As we can see, our price is actually ranging in this our area here, so we should actually be following the market trend. By the way, as our price is ranging, we also should be ranging on with our price movement. That's it for our pound USD. Now we have our USD yen, so we should be looking at our USD Japanese yen. As we can see, our USD is actually falling down against our yen. As we can see, for the past 2 weeks now, our yen has been falling, but now it is actually what we call, it is now retracing. As we can, if we can sit on our Japanese yen, we can see that our price is retracing, which means our yen is actually going bullish. So on this our USD yen, we should continue to be seeing a fall on our USD yen. So our USD to our yen should actually be seen, we should be seeing fall. As you can see on our 4-hour time frame, our move is bearish. On our 1-hour time frame, our move is also bearish, so we should also be going by the trend. So you can possibly wait for our price to break below this our area here before you actually take your sell position, by the way. So I believe that when our price pushes up a little bit, then we should have that rejection here, around pushes up a little bit to this place, then we should have that rejection here whereby our price will now fall. So it depends on how the price will react. It will react in 2 ways: either it pushes up a little bit, then it falls, or we will actually wait for our price to break below this our candle wick before we actually take our sell position straight downward on our USD Japanese yen. On our USD card, by the way, we can see it is actually ranging on our 4-hour time frame. It is actually ranging on this our key area. We've been alighting for a lot. So let's see if our price will actually push up to this our area here before we actually see that fall. But I believe that our price should be falling. So let's see if our price will come back to retest this our area here, which has served as liquidity, where our price has taken out a lot of liquidity. We should see our price comes down before we actually now take that our buy position upward. It depends on how the price will react today. So let's see if our price will actually push up to this our area here, which is about 1.25876, before you actually now say let's go for sell on our USD card. Now on our AUDUSD, we can see our AUDUSD is actually ranging, no much movement, by the way. So we should be seeing, since our USD will actually be falling down, especially when we compare our last pairs to our pound USD, euro USD, our USD index, our USD is actually falling. So by the way, we should be seeing a bullish move on our AUDUSD. So let's see if our USD will be pushing up. By the way, it will be seeing a bullish move, so there's no doubt about it. On our AUDUSD, it will be bullish, so we will be seeing a bullish move on our AUDUSD before we actually take that fall. So before we actually take that sell, let's see how many pips it will be giving us upward. That should be giving us about 50 to 55 pips upward. So that is exactly what we'll be seeing on our AUDUSD before we actually now see that fall, come back to retest this our support. Maybe by the time when our US markets open, then we will be seeing that for, then we can actually take that buy position again. So let's see how the price will react, by the way. So currently as it is, we should be going bullish. When it gets to our resistance level, then we should actually be taking our sell downward. Now on our New Zealand USD, we should be seeing that continue a little fall. By the way, I'm looking here as a possible short position here. So since our USD is falling, by the way, so we should be seeing that retracement back here. Let's see if our price will come back a little bit, touch this our area here, then we actually now see that push up to our resistance. So let's wait till we see that buy signal, which you should be seeing on our 30-minute time frame. If we can get that buy signal on our 30-minute time frame, then it is a good opportunity to actually not take your buy position. So currently on our 30-minute time frame, our price is actually ranging here, so no bullish much movement here. As you can see, probably its price is indicating that it wants to reverse back, which means it wants to actually go bullish up. Let's just assume we are able to take our buy position straight up. That should be giving us about 55 pips, by the way, which is not bad. So we should be seeing a retreat, a reversal move backwards. So we should be seeing a bullish move on our New Zealand USD. So on our USD Swiss franc, so our USD, we should continue be seeing that sell move, by the way. Let's see if our sell will have that huge sell, massive sell today, since our dollar index and all our dollar currency pairs we compare them with are actually falling. Let's see if our dollar will actually fall massively today to come here and touch this our this our area here, if it actually touches our by giving us a resistance, then we can actually be looking for a buy. So let's be looking for a sell. As we can see on our 4-hour time frame, it's actually short, it's actually going down, so we should be going bearish with it. So let's see how many pips that will be giving us from downward. That should be giving us about 75 pips, which is actually a good one, by the way. So let's be looking for a sell position on our USD Swiss franc. So that is our analysis for today. If you are still interested in anyone, you can subscribe, like, comment and share.